Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have a box opening of a doll I bought from a dolly friend, and that is Christina Grape Getter. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's very cool. Oh, wow. Let's look at this a minute. Lovely, lovely toner dolls. Oh, my. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. What is this catalog from? Just
2015. It's an old one.
Yeah, just a toner catalog. Well, that's very cool. Thank you, Christina. And who do I have here but Ellowyne Wilde? Let's open up and see who I did get, or how this one looks, I should say. Well, sliding up. I bought dolls from Christina before. I bought 3 Smart Dolls from Christina. Oh my God, she's lovely. She has her shoes. Oh, she is lovely, lovely, lovely. Love that little outfit. Let's pull her out. I know that surprises you, but I am going to get her out. Oh, that's her shirt, not her tie-in. Set this here and that there. Oh, look. These are lovely dolls. They're 16 or 17 inch. I think they're 16 inch. Let's go ahead and pull this off because I want her out of the box. Look at that hair. Oh, and it is rooted. Good. I like a rooted hair doll. Some people like wigs, and that's fine. I'm not big on the wigs. Look how cute she is. Oh my. They have a lot of articulation. Her ears are not pierced. And I do have the stand. Let's see about the stand. I wonder if she was ever out of the box. It looks like maybe Christina collected. I'm an in-box collector. I have a lot of dolls I leave in boxes. But this one I had decided was coming out. I want to sew for these dolls. I'm really liking the size. I had a couple injuries and having trouble with dexterity in my hands, so the larger dolls, rather than the Blythe dolls, are easier for me to sew for right now. They come with a saddle stand. They call it a saddle stand because the doll strides it. I feel like, there we go. The doll strides the stand like this. And I don't know why, but I have a few that the doll is kind of tall for. I guess the shoes have that much. They don't seem to, though. That seems pretty flat, so we'll have to look at that. But what a lovely, beautiful face doll. Thank you so much, Christina. I really appreciate you thinking of us and asking. We'll see what this girl wears. For right now, I'm kind of behind, but oh, she's gorgeous. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.